Alright guys, welcome back to Haspi Mania. Today video we're gonna continue with OND3 or regular ND3, and what we're gonna do with that one is we're going to interact fan cover where it's gonna happen out to slow down the noise. That's only gonna be on the power supply noise, so we're gonna have less noise on that power supply, and eventually later on we're gonna do all the whole day so we can slow down the noise we having out coming out in all the upgrade we want to do into the some of the upgrade we want to do into the to that stuff. All right guys, so I'll see you guys after the intro, and I'll see you then. So all right guys, so sorry my face too close to the camera. All right, so what we're gonna do is today is we're gonna remove this one. This one of the thing I'm gonna get rid of them, so we're not gonna use this no more. And what I'm gonna do is gonna open this, and I'm gonna start throwing this over there. So we're not gonna use no more this one. This one was leftover for a project I was doing it, so somebody interested on this, I can give it away or probably end throw them away. Oh, this is the two we're gonna use, Capricorn, for some stuff in the future. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna concentrate on remove this right here, and we're gonna install this right here. As you can see, it's got this little line, so it's gonna make it more quiet. All right guys, so let me get the screwdriver and we go over there. I'm gonna go jump onto that side, and then I'm gonna do the process. Okay, so let's move this little bit this way. All right, so kind of gonna see too much on my face today, so what we're gonna do is it's gonna be simple. Let's put this right here. um what I'm gonna do is we're gonna unscrew one of these ones out, so we need for the moment, I can see it, take it out. Planning to pass it through to this one right here. Let's see if this is gonna work the way I want it, and trust me. Okay, so we got it, I can see it. All right, so this is the bottom one, so I gotta do the one on the top, gotta do this little thing, and that one was supposed to go to the top, so let me get this one on the side. Doing the same thing at the end of the side. All right, so we return this one back. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make sure. Okay, seen it? So we got it completely up over there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move this one down. And okay, so all right guys, so that's it. Just putting that one on. Now Now I don't even hear this that much anymore, so we got less noise. This worked pretty good. So the flow is over here, it's flowing this way. So yes, we have a less noise. And guys, that's it for today. That was a simple and easy video. And I'm just gonna go and turn on the camera, and I'll see you guys with it. Alright guys, so like you guys seen in the last video, we ended out, we installed the cover over there. The noise get reduced, still a lot of noise, but now the only noise I got is coming from the main fan, the one used to call the hot end, and that's one of the issues I've been having. It that's very noisy. But I have one problem. Before I replace that fan or reduce the speed of the fan, I had to, what we call him, have to use the bottle section in a way the air is going again, the thing is not coming down and say going up. So that way if I get that done, I'm gonna have a better heat thing and stuff, and it will be work better for you. It will be work better for me, so I don't want to have that overheating and stuff, that heat coming down to the bottom. So that's gonna be one of the good things. Guys, if you guys went all the way to the end of the video to watching it, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you into the next one.